Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add hyphenation. So open your Microsoft Word document, then click on layout. Then here is the option hyphenation. Click on this drop down and select automatic. Okay, so we can see here this is the hyphenation. Any sentence is not complete, so you will see this like dash. And I will show you hyphenation is the automatic hyphenation here. If you want try to remove, so it will not remove. To remove this hyphenation, just again click here, hyphenation, and select none. Okay. So to add, click here and automatic, and to remove again, click here and none. So thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.